Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 1967 MGB Roadster. Hop on in, do a cold start, and we'll warm her up. Okay, so here we are, 1967 MGB Roadster. We'll do a cold start here, down in the clutch. Pops right open, oil pressure, we have some fuel. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. So here we are, 1967 MGB Roadster, fully restored, Primrose Yellow, black interior, beautiful Motor wheel. Wow, what a great driving car. 4-speed, overdrive, so you got overdrive in 3rd and 4th gear. Right now we're in 4th, we'll hit it. RPMs drop really well, shut it off, right back down, go back down to 3rd. Hit the overdrive. Beautiful. Really, really nice car. Brakes feel good. Great responsive steering. Quintessential British sports car. Back down to 2nd there. British Motor Corporation radio. We'll come up to the S's and we'll put her through her paces. Alright, so here we are, coming up through the S's. Great little exhaust note there. Pulls well. Nice light British sports car. Oh yeah, really feels good. Beautiful open air motoring. Solid tight car. We'll drop jack off and we'll do some flybys for you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed those. I definitely did. Even Jack said it looked like I was having a lot of fun, which I am. But just a great, easy driving British sports car. Great cruiser, again, overdrive, 3rd and 4th gear. Everything works, which is great. Excellent example. We're going to take her up to the farm road and open her up. Alright, so here we go. Take her up through the gears. Check out the overdrives again. 3rd gear overdrive. Out of 4th. Back into overdrive. Very nice. Beautiful day for a convertible. Much unlike the English countryside. It'll probably be raining right now, but nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed this 67 MGB Roadster. I definitely did. Like and comment below, subscribe if you're already not subscribing, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.